Mix soap powder with toothpaste and see what happens. Want to learn how to make your pans, toilet and sink shine? So stay with me until the end of this video and I'll teach you the secret. I'll start by adding 6 tablespoons of washing powder to a container. Soap powder helps to make it smell nicer. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste helps to remove stubborn stains from the surface. And I will add 200 milliliters of alcohol vinegar. Alcohol vinegar is perfect for removing dirt and grease. Now all that's left to do is mix it all up. And while I'm moving, enjoy and tell me here in the comments where you're watching from and if you're going to use this tip at home. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we know that baking soda is a great ally for household cleaning, making our little mix even more potent. Guys, I took this sprayer to make it easier when applying, and we're going to put all this little mixture inside. Look at this dirt. But just apply this mixture and see the magic happen. It removes all dirt more easily. It is very practical and effective. Do it at your house, I'm sure you'll love it. Finally, I would like to share a message that is in 1 John 5 verse 4, "For whatever is born of God overcomes the world, and this is the victory that overcomes the world, our faith." The Apostle John is pointing to the fact that our faith in God will lead us to victory, and He can enable us to overcome all of life's difficulties. In other words, when we are born of God, we automatically become winners. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for your company. Until the next video. Bye bye.